888-858-8319 for offer details and important safety information. Ends 3/1/21.
If your New Year's resolution was to make 2021 epic, Papa John's is here to help with their epic stuffed crust pizza. Want more cheese? Papa John's knows the answer. So they stuff their fresh, never frozen original dough with melty cheese and bake it into a crispy golden crust for the perfect finish to your favorite pizza. Get your large one-topping epic stuffed crust pizza today for just $12.99. Yes, just $12.99 for a large one-topping epic stuffed crust pizza from Papa John's. Visit papajohns.com to start your order.
Papa John's is now hiring. Visit pjcareer.com or your local Papa John's for more details.
Better ingredients,
better pizza. Papa John's.
Studio sponsored by Meldon Law, the only official law firm partner of the Florida Gators. meldonlaw.com.
Welcome back.
We're back to the music now. Kiss 105.3.
The following is being issued at the urgent request of Alachua County Emergency Management. Civil danger warning now in effect. 2 dangerous individuals have now been spotted in Gainesville. The first, and most dangerous, is a 1,000-foot-tall bipedal female Pegasus with a military uniform of unknown alien origin. She has white fur with straight blue and purple two-tone hair and tail. In addition, spotted on her chubby shoulder is a person connected to fires set in the same city in 2014, named Blaise. Description of him will be delivered on WUFT shortly. Due to the Pegasus having military accomplices, evacuation of Gainesville will not be issued or advised. If you do try to evacuate, you are at severe risk of being captured by one of the military aliens, or by Blaise himself if he decides to split up. Please just lock your doors and windows, and get into a central room, preferably one that is not within sightline of external doors or windows. Try not to make any sounds that could attract attention of these enemies. Please turn down your radio or television to a soft level and keep updated on this dangerous situation.